yo, I'm video. I'm just not recording. Okay, just recording the screen. So, hello guys. It's naked.
It's me, Hank, and with Liel,
Yep,
of course, on his YouTube channel, and we're playing Super Mario Bros. X 2.0.
Oh,
and
and it is not. No.
This is actually a very new game released in 2016 and
Help me!
2015.
How do I change? No, I don't want this guy. Please run.
You can just enter these cheat codes like it's a me Mario, and you can transform back to Mario. But
Okay.
avoid these benches and stuff. So they'll make you eventually.
Then how do you play the game?
Easy. Just if you change your character in those benches and then press up while there's a screen that says challenger approaching, you will enter their level.
Oh look! I just got an idea to get away from this.
I know. Go on to get up to the second floor of the stages. You have to go up there, but you have to go on the bench. The bench with no block means it lets you go to the second floor. Go in there. Go there. Go jump.
Huh? Oh, banana.
It's not a banana.
This one?
No.
Yes, it's doing.
No. This is not actually Yoshi. This is actually Corona. It's a me Mario. Now here. Oh no. Go in here.
It's here, so go all the way. Okay.
This boss is really hard, so I recommend a cheat code for this.
Don't hurt me.
Yeah.
No, there's a code of don't hurt me.
Yeah.
And look here. Look here.
What?
Look, if it attacks you, it does nothing.
This is what the cheat code does. Without the cheat code, you will just die immediately, right?
How do I just kill this guy?
Jump on the head. Yeah, jump on the head multiple times. This boss is so easy, right?
That's so easy. No! Stop it, I'm not to jump.
There's even an SMBX 1.4.4 version. That's more easier.
Okay? And we almost just did no. Come back here.
Come on, jump over here. It's the last hit.
That's funny. And what's the song? There's only one person watching.
That sucks.
Yeah. Really sucks.
All we have to do is go right or left. You want to play as Yoshi now?
Oh, what's this one?
This one just changes Mario its costume. This one's just a Mario costume. No need to be fooled. You want to play as Yoshi now?
Yes. Yay! I don't think so.
I didn't know Yoshi has this world.
How do I get this thing?
Easy, press Z. Look, your flutter jumping.
Oh!
Here, attack those enemies with the plum.
How do I do the time?
X. Oh, you can do it while you're jumping. Look, you get to pick up with your mouse.
How do I do that?
Just go right.
Wait.
Wait. I know what to do. This is Hank playing. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Climb up.
The code? Do that.
There. Skip the person. He wastes his time. Swallow him. Swallow him. You can collide him with another enemy like Mario 2. Now you have to let it jump. Those are his hands, silly.
wanna like
Green Traveler, Yoshi, right? But how come the shadow looks kind of different? It doesn't look like Yoshi.
maybe this one.
Oh, come on! Oh, I know how to escape this one. Oh! Oh!
I don't want
There.
to be.
There, now press the button.
Okay. Anyway, that's nice.
Green Traveler,
Yeah.
Yoshi.
No.
Swallow the sky. Again, swallow the sky. Yeah.
Wait, go! It's going on the very top! Alright, that's the thing. Oh, the guy.
Pretty sure that sucked.
Girl!
Swallow the sky. On the question mark block. It leads to nowhere, okay? Wait. Wait. I was gonna do that first.
Why did you tell me? I do things.
And then I do the rest of the parts because I'm the expert at this. When I install this, I have to download WinRAR.
You're not gonna let me go from there.
Follow the sky.
Hey, come back here. You're my food.
Follow the sky again. Look at that! You collided it with another enemy. This time when another guy comes, just jump. Don't do it or else those guys will jump. Yeah. Don't go. Just jump here. And you do this first. And then when there's the person, I do the first. Here. I do this part as well. Yes, we got the gem.
What's the gem though?
I guess nothing. Whoa.
Attack them. Did you kill them? Oh no!
No!
We're doing something
No!
else. Why the gem heals yourself? It gives you another chance.
Okay.
No, not another chance to do it. Like another D. Don't you see it up there?
No, it's because I had too many bananas. That Yoshi is, okay? Swallow the sky. Swallow. And collide and spit it out when there's that block.
Yeah. How do we get this one?
You have to press X. You have to swallow one. Swallow it.
I don't know. No, I'm going to go here.
No, you cannot do it here.
I have to go there.
What? Oh yeah, I know how. costume, you know. Look what you did. You don't actually get a second chance. The gems are just for nothing.
Okay, let's go back. I don't
Wait,
want to do this.
wait. Wait. I know an easier way for you.
Okay, guys.
It's a me, Mario.
Okay, guys, let's do
What
it
the
this way.
freak is this?
What?
It's a me, Luigi. It's a me, Luigi. Oh, Yoda. King of the Koopas. Haha, 1,000 times.
Why are you putting me down there? Isn't he lame?
No.
I'm so annoying. Look at my hair.
It's me, Mario. Meet Ali.
What's the Mario?
Winged Man. I don't care.
I want to be
Winged
Mario.
Man. Now it's swapped with this costume.
You're Mario.
It's me, Luigi.
Hi. Isn't that so easy? You just have to do this.
No.
Doesn't it take long?
No.
Oh no! The hell you think that long? No! You don't want to kill this. You leave! Easy.
Look.
No! Go back to get that. Yes, please. Oh, please tell me this is not a banana. I'm gonna leave! Don't get that short! Yes! Wait, you didn't get that leaf! No! Oh. You didn't get that leaf! No! How are you doing that? Oh yeah, don't hurt me. There's still more? I just gotta be kidding me. I want further! Oh yeah! No! No! Okay, no!
Shadow Mario.
Did you don't hurt me? Did you don't hurt me?
What?
You don't hurt me.
No, I already did it. By the way, this level is kind of curious and pretty hard, so enable cheat codes for this one.
I did it with
You cannot save your game with the cheat code, so input this cheat code called redigit is cool.
Don't get that store. What's that? Get that store. Finally. Wait. What pack is that? I didn't see that pack yet. Yay. Wait, what? We already did it. There you go.
Wait, I just gotta switch it to Mario, okay?
No.
I just gotta switch it to Mario. This is hurting me. Seriously, can I collect any